Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional resume using ChatGPT. Whether you're a student or a job seeker, this AI-powered tool can save you time and effort in making a standout resume. Let's dive in and create a resume in just a few minutes. No experience required. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, let's head over to ChatGPT. Open the app and type in this simple prompt. Create a professional resume for a job role with years of experience. For example, I'll type, create a professional resume for a marketing specialist with 1 year of experience. Now, ChatGPT will generate a detailed resume with sections like contact information, skills, and experience. It's that easy. As you can see, the resume is clear, concise, and well-structured. Next, we'll customize the resume to make it your own. Copy the generated resume and paste it into a word processor, like Google Docs. If you don't know how to use Google Docs, I have done a video on that. Please look into it. I will leave it in the end cards and also provide the link in Des. Or use an online tool like Canva for better formatting. You can also find a video on how to use Canva in my channel. Once it's in Google Docs, you can change details like your name, contact info, and skills. If you have more experience or want to add a personal touch, just edit the text. In Canva, you can even use pre-made templates that look professionally designed and update the content with the info from ChatGPT. This makes your resume stand out visually and also saves time. Once you've made your changes, you're ready to save your resume. Simply export it as a PDF for easy sharing with potential employers. And that's it. You've just created a professional, AI-powered resume in minutes. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.